So today I'm going to be showing you guys the 13x4 lace front wig colored human hair, and this is in a fiery red color, y'all. This is their body wave hair, and I got the inches in 14. So I have a 14 13x4 red lace front wig, body wave, and it's also 150 density. So if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? How you doing? Make sure you subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Turn on those post notifications, all that, and leave me some comments. But if you are an oldie but a goodie and you've been rocking with me from the beginning, I love you. I appreciate you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by again. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think of this look. And of course, don't mind my underarm hair, y'all, okay? It is natural. It is human, okay? And I'm not waxing just yet. I'm waiting for it to grow a little more. Or maybe I should. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. All the links to this unit will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Shout out again to Ms.Coco Hair for hooking your girl up with this unit. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
Okay, beauties, so as you can tell, the hair, this is the style I'm looking for. Like, it looks absolutely beautiful, but the look I'm going for is I want to flip this up. Like, I want to do like that oldie style where you flip it up. So, let's do that and see what it looks like.
Fantastic. Yes.
You could talk, Mom. My mom's on the phone, y'all.
Yesterday I had my flu shot.
Really?
So I'm going tomorrow for my booster shot to COVID. Oh, that is beautiful. You have a very good styling iron, though. The flat iron. Is that a curling iron?
No, it's just a flat iron.
But it's a very good one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I don't know where I got it from. A company sent it to me, I'm sure.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know